I'm sending out a message to Brief and Bandit Squad. I'm telling you something all I know. You don't need to go in on a draw, take out the best looking color brief. You go in on the bathroom, on the video on yourself and listen to on the bass song and post it and tag him. And get a bonnet too and play on the bass song in the background and video on yourself and post it and tag on the bass.
So what, show a Gaza nation and a cartel and not go talk about how cartel just up on the net and wind up in bum buckler self in underpants like him a dim's worm. But coming at MIB where you used to drink coffee. And some bag of people like giggy and a laugh all some big man. I thought, I them something down no want to see.
I play about boy style that. Cause in my drum me go put your naked dead.
Me always a fear do this phone upon social media. Them a ask me why me now burn out Vybz Kartel. And me see Vybz Kartel pan video wind up himself in a underpant. Me now burn out Vybz Kartel because this is strategic.
We don't tell you already, you know. I mean I tell you again. A turn back blow, I mash up Kartel. But Kartel knows that most of them youth are shaky.
Dear God, I'm praying over this person's Sunday. Father, we thank you for bringing us through yet again another week. Father, you are so faithful. Father, I pray that as they go through this day to day, that they will feel your embrace, oh God, that they will feel you walking with them through every trial and tribulation that they may face.
Yo, what's up my beautiful people? Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, don't. But I have to big up the ones where I give thanks to life, cause the last time I check it, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, cause the last time I checked that too, the subscribe button was free. It don't cost you a thing. All who leave a like on a video and them thoughts in the comment section. Today in the review my people, we have J Progress. Cause J Progress come out and them make you know say, yo, Vybz Kartel know where I do. Vybz Kartel are the controversial king. So this whole thing we are going circulating in the media from where them people, we don't even have to pay that no mind cause the man a promote him album, God and Time. You understand me? And we also have NekoFire. NekoFire obviously a troll on the Gaza. Cause you don't know NekoFire not really too rate the Gaza too tough. So this is the time for him troll my people and him a troll hard. So no one stick around and hear what NekoFire have to say. So no leave a like on the video, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bad.
Let me send out a message to Brief and Bandit Squad. Let me tell you something all I know. You don't need to go in on a draw, take out the best looking color brief. You go in on the bathroom, on the video on yourself and listen to on the bass song and post it and tag him. And show no support. Nobody coming on my inbox. Nobody coming for my message. You go support on the boss. He have new album a drop. He have new song a drop. You support him by going on the bathroom, in on the brief, and get a bonnet too, and play on the bass song in the background, and video on yourself and post it and tag on the bass. Nobody ramp with me. I laugh at me say, no come out of my inbox. Hold on, Brief Squad. On the lift up man. Let me send out a message.
So what, show a Gaza nation and a cartel and not go talk about how cartel just up on the net and wind up in bum buckler self in underpants like him a dim's worm. But coming at MIB where you used to drink coffee. I want to some man bro, me have to uninterest some people, you know bro, cause I don't like see them thing there, and I don't want to see them thing there. I don't need to scroll and I see no man a wind up in a bum buckler underpants bro. I want to some people man youth and some bag of people like giggy and a laugh all some big man. I thought, I them something down no want to see. On the switch up, on the change up. I want to big yard, lock down. I want to man for move like man, bro. When you done rich already, when you done have everything in your life, when you not have to run down no clouds. And nothing, bro. I mean, I want nobody to come tell me about, Lord, the people make them live them life. And that's why so much slackness go on in the world. I make sure I tell you no. Big cartel. Where I get up and I wind up in bum buckler self in a sauce underpants and rope for him a batty man. How much man depend on the net? What kind of man you highlight yourself to? Again.
Him do their dance, look like him in a bathroom or something like that, right? And I say, whole heap of people are talk about it. Man and woman are talk about it, right? For the man them though, there's certain content that is created. I know everything for you, dog. Everything is not yours. There's certain content that is created that you can left it make the woman them have it. You know, like I wanna run and take up the woman them purse and start carry it And before that, they did in the woman them tight pants. Yeah. And now, when I say man, I do certain things per line and I feel like say a fool. Somehow, no, weird. Weird. As a man, my honest opinion is you shouldn't even have an opinion about where a man I do in a bathroom, in a under in a bathroom, in a underwear now. It shouldn't concern you, bro. Vybz Kartel have a song. I think a cake soap, right? Me no love man, so take your eye off of me. Like, you don't need to go listen to that song there. It's called Cake Soap. I'm pretty sure it's called Cake Soap. I think that song they released back in about like 2010 or so. See? Somehow you need to go listen to that song there. The man not loving the dog. The man not try loving the dog. He's not trying to do, he's not in his bathroom dancing for your amusement as a man, right? And then on the other hand now, we live in such a weird world. Hold up there. We live in such a weird world where people can't just be themselves. People can't just be themselves. It's like, who wrote the rule book? What's that? People have to do what you like. And then, if them not do what you like, then I weird them weird and something wrong with them and all this other kind of... Like, we have to normalize moving to the beat of our own drums. You understand? Yeah, because if you notice, the people them where actually really reach somewhere in their life, them not really too tech check, as in they don't march to your opinions. See, some people are trying to regulate the next man's life. Don't regulate your own life. And for the man them who have so much to say about the man in the bathroom, go check yourself, bro. Me no love man, so take your eye off of me. That message there is for you.
Me always have to do this phone on social media. Me always have to do this phone on social media. Them ask me why me now burn out Vybz Kartel. And me see Vybz Kartel pan video wind up himself in a underpant. Me now burn out Vybz Kartel because this is strategic. Vybz Kartel intentionally do it, knowing the backlash where I go get. Me have to tell you no. Let me tell you this. Vybz Kartel have an album come out, no. Vybz Kartel have an unreleased album, no. Who is the master of controversy from the no dancehall? I know Vybz Kartel. So when you feel say Vybz Kartel put a video out like that, knowing the critics, how much people want to criticize him and tear him down long time, knowing that man like Sir P say things about him long time, it's only the blind people them never go see it. But like how me have to tell you, because my name J Progress. Vybz Kartel slung them cheer and laugh right now and say J Progress you chat too blood clot much. Me now ask you, right now Vybz Kartel say J Progress you chat too much. What make you say it? Kartel me have to say it because the people them blind. Vybz Kartel have an unreleased album that come out. Vybz Kartel are the master of controversy. Vybz Kartel knew it would have dragged this amount of attention. If you look on the video on Vybz Kartel page, at over 3.8 million views. Vybz Kartel needed that. Vybz Kartel know if he get views. Vybz Kartel know for people keep talking about him. Vybz Kartel know exactly what he do. So all I know is flip up and a flap up. I don't know I wonder J Progress. Oh you say Ray, me never did want to tell you in my YouTube video, but me say sure, it'll get out of hand. And then me see foot of hype. Fuel up now. Ray. I me say, you know what? Let me say it. Let me just say it. People, remember good. Vybz Kartel intentionally do this. Vybz Kartel album a forward. Uno stay tuned. Remember, Vybz Kartel is still Vybz Kartel. 13 years not do nothing to him at prison. Him still controversial. And him still know him craft. And when you see him do something, it's intentional.
And now some coward and some fakers, you know. Yeah, man. Me not look likes from people. I not look strength from people. Says he wants me to sitting. We are go against my order. We are go against my principle. we are go against nature's principle, I go burn it out. I go talk about it. I'm not afraid of none of you, I'm not care about what none of you want to say. I make sure I tell you now. I'm not play fake, I'm not play hypocrite. You have one out of two choice. You either hate me or you either like me. I don't want no man like me. You hear that? So I don't have no first choice already and I run with it. Or I get into them fucking world again. Wanna fuck up and see if me not go burn out now. Fuck up and see if me not go burn out. Feel like some I go giggy and laugh, we don't know. And talk about, oh, no man, I'm a brethren. No man, I'm a family. No man, I'm an artist. No man, I'm an influencer. No man, on a post so on, I'ma tell you this. No man can't feel like them can program me or call me down, make me accept certain things. None. No big coward and lame fake, you know. What I'm to, you know. Here again. Hold on now, some coward and some
I don't tell you already, you know. I tell you again. A turn back blow. I mash up Kartel. But Kartel knows say most of them youth are shaky. Kartel knows say most of Jamaica gone. Him know say most of Gaza fans are gone too. He know say watch her. If I step out in a underpants and wind up myself, then youth are go back me. He know say Gaza fans are go back him same way. Them gone. Them shaky. I'll tell for you all on a judgment. Bam! Bamba clot.
See if you ever come here with fucker, we are talking about something serious right now because I try to show you say dunceness and foolness at that time I shop a country. At that time I shop a culture. Because I'm not too bumbo clad fool. The things them are supposed to have focus on and not focus on them there. All the thing you see is fuckery. Because none of them boy are batty boy in a real life. Them are batty boy in a real life. Them are batty boy in a real life. And them a try if you point a finger if you say, oh, him a batty man, him. Like you try for other people. You try distract people by pointing out somebody else. Just because you try to hide the shit with it on your face. At that. At that. I think I did crab legs, my general. I never know say a chocolate. I think I did crab legs. So I forget on a story straight. You know? You understand? No, I could go back into this now. Ready?
I'm on the airport. And the dog lift him up off the ground. And I thought I lift him up, hook him up, and I lift him up off the ground. Have him burn it on him head. And I get spin. While he put off the ground. Fish. What do you see make pose? In a underpants. In a pink bonnet. Yo, the man cannot be a straight man, bro. I don't believe say that man's straight, bro. The man get shaky.
Alright, so the man married him woman, live with him woman. All of the man life, you hear the man call upon about 50 million woman. The amount of woman the man name call upon. You never hear the man name call upon no man yet. Never. There has never been any allegations say man name call upon the man. None. The man entire career, you hear about all of the woman them with the man sexual exploits. Right now, me hear the people man talk about say, oh, them want one documentary surviving Vybz Kartel like how them have surviving R. Kelly because Kartel fuck off the whole of them female artists them. You understand? See? People have talk about humiliation ritual. What is a bumbleclad humiliation ritual? You live in your life how you want to live your life. It's a humiliation ritual. You happy and comfortable. You born as a... No, I could set some paint the picture. I could paint the picture. I born in a substandard condition, born in poverty, in a Waterford, Jamaica, which is a garrison. Waterford is a garrison. Yes, a Portmore, but it's still a garrison. Born in a garrison. Grew under meager means. My mother tried to do things to make it never work out. End up of a set and resort to music. Of a set and curry favor from different selectors and artists. Play my name, get little notoriety, end up in a badness. In a badness, I revel in a badness, and it end up get out of control. People start proclaiming to be the leader of factions, warring factions. They over there so go through life where me have to escape bullet, me have to do things I never really want to do, or even do things I did really and truly want to do, for set so and for survive, for stay relevant, and for ensure that me and the people around me are protected. And to create an whole entire empire for myself after the person who bring me into the forefront, I have to move away from that for reinvent myself and reinvent my career. After I do this now, create my own faction, create my own empire, literally, Portmore Empire, Gaza. After I do this now, I have to set so and go against an entire alliance of all of the entire music industry that was against me, curate my own fans, create one of the most prolific clash them in Jamaica, where the police and the government and the church and every well-being individual or well-thinking individual in the country supposedly hate me like poison. You understand? Zane, mash up everything. Mash up everything and everybody feel like me I come destroy the culture. Me have to sit and rewrite what it means to be successful in our industry. That is stoked in conservatism. The music when I sing, protest go on about it. Pick up some young youth that nobody know, give them the world for run. Create an whole empire. Create a whole dynasty. By myself. Do all of them things. Start out of a start out. People have me as an evil person. Some people have me as them father. Some people have me as them God. Some people have me as the coming of the Antichrist. It ended up that it got so destructive that my own country where I born and grow in, when I help put on the map musically, decide say them want conspire to get me off of the road. Through this conspiracy, me get arrested for something that I might and or might have not done. With limited evidence. Limited evidence got tampered with. The trial was a mistrial. And not treated as a mistrial. And I was imprisoned for 25 years to life. Went on several appeals. Appeals got turned down. Took out all of my life's earning and savings and everything that I've accumulated over my entire lifespan and career. It took everything for me to appeal to the Queen's Council to finally get vindicated and come back a road. After me come back a road, I am met by a fanfare of the entire world embracing me, celebrating my life and my ascension to freedom. Me start earn monies that I have never even believed that I would ever earn in my entire lifetime. The woman will stand by me. Zane, it's about the crab legs you stole. What crab legs? I thought it was chocolate. Get on a story street. The woman will stand by me through all of them things. Help me through all of them something. Me I try to give her the life when me believe she deserve because she stand up there. Through me. Me I take care of my baby mother them. Me I take care of my pitney them. Me I take care of my mother. Me I take care of all the people who stand by me in a prison. Me I create opportunity and business opportunity for all the people who they tough it out in me. And I push them career to the forefront. And after me I push all of them people career to the forefront. And I do everything I want to do. Me now want to enjoy some of the life that me never enjoy in a prison. And me feel so happy and feel so comfortable in myself. Say me want to do what me want to do. And remember, during all of them things where I go on, you know. During all of them things where I go on, he might get negative criticism right through. People are bring him down right through all of them things. Him face all of them adversity. In him head mentally almost mad, almost have develop a sickness. Develop a fucking sickness. We could have killed in a jail, almost go to the brink of death. A fight it in a jail. With limited medical intervention. With limited intervention. And then when I go look on this man here, when the man beat the odds, no, you see the odds of him reaching from the little boy at Waterford to world boss, Vybz Kartel part in there right now. You know what are the odds of reaching this? And then this a little pissing tail bumbuckler junker. This a little pissing tail junker. I go complain and compare and contrast how the man life go. How fucking dare you? Who the fuck? Who raised you, bro?
My people, over the internet once more. You make me know the thoughts in the comment section. Bad.